Welcome to AutoNexaDrive. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that's been making waves in the automotive community, the 2026 Honda CR-V. As a car enthusiast, you'll appreciate the sleek design and impressive engineering that Honda has packed into this model. With a bold exterior featuring sharp lines and a modern grille, the 2026 CR-V is a perfect blend of style and functionality. It's not just about looks. This car is built to turn heads on the road while providing a comfortable ride for you and your passengers. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda CR-V offers an impressive lineup of powertrains to suit various driving styles. For those who crave efficiency, the hybrid options deliver exceptional fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Meanwhile, the traditional gasoline engines have been fine-tuned to offer a responsive driving experience that's both engaging and practical. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the CR-V delivers a smooth and powerful ride. Step inside, and you'll find an interior designed with comfort and technology in mind. The spacious cabin features high-quality materials and intuitive layouts, making every trip enjoyable. One standout feature is the upgraded infotainment system, which boasts a larger touchscreen and enhanced connectivity options. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, you can easily access your favorite apps and playlists, ensuring that your drive is as entertaining as it is comfortable. Safety remains a top priority for Honda, and the 2026 CR-V comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. The Honda Sensing Suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking, giving you peace of mind on every journey. These technologies not only help protect you, but also enhance the overall driving experience, making it easier and more enjoyable to navigate any road. As for versatility, the 2026 Honda CR-V shines with its spacious cargo area and flexible seating configurations. Whether you're hauling groceries, sports equipment, or embarking on a weekend getaway, the CR-V has the space to accommodate your needs. The rear seats fold down effortlessly, providing a flat loading floor that maximizes your storage potential. It's the perfect companion for adventurous outings or everyday errands. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda CR-V is a well-rounded SUV that appeals to car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. With its striking design, efficient performance, and cutting-edge technology, it's a vehicle that keeps up with your lifestyle. If you're in the market for a reliable and stylish SUV, the CR-V is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for joining us at AutoNexaDrive, and we can't wait to see you on the next ride.